Hey, it's Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to block people from seeing your friends on Facebook. So what you want to do is you want to open up your Facebook app. From there, on the bottom right, click on the menu. On the top right, click on the gear settings icon thingy. Now that we are here, you want to scroll down and you will see this option where it says how people can find and contact you. So you want to click on that. So you can see who can see your friends list. Now I have set it that it's only me, but you can make it public that your friends on Facebook see your friends. Friends except don't show to some friends and specific friends. And that's way you can mess around it. And of course, who can send your friend request, friends of friends. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're interested in Shopify, I have a link where you can get 1 month for $1 in the description.